Electric bikes, or e-bikes, have evolved from niche to commuter essential, offering an affordable, eco-friendly alternative to cars for urban mobility, campus travel, and light outdoor adventures. Budget-friendly e-bikes often blend practical range, basic suspension, and foldable design to appeal to riders who want convenience without compromising reliability.
Product number 1. Electric bike for adults. This LELEQUAI foldable e-bike targets urban commuters with a compact 14-inch wheel platform, a 560-watt motor, and a top speed of 24 mph. It uses a removable 48-volt 10Ah battery, 3-level pedal assist, and dual disc brakes for safety, packaged in a carbon steel/aluminum frame suitable for riders up to 350 pounds. The bike's foldable design and included accessories, basket, headlight, and lock, emphasize practical daily use and transit compatibility, with UL 2849 safety certification signaling adherence to electrical safety standards. Performance-wise, the 560-watt motor provides brisk acceleration suitable for city pitches and light hills, while the 48-volt 10Ah pack aims at roughly 32 miles of range under typical mixed riding. The 14-inch wheels trade some rollover stability for ultra-compact storage, which is ideal for apartment dwellers or commuters who need to squeeze the bike into a trunk or on a train. Braking is handled by dual discs, which enhance stopping power in wet or urban stop-and-go scenarios. However, the compact wheel size can result in a choppier ride on rough pavement, and the stated range may drop noticeably with higher assist levels or payload. The bike's weight limit of 350 pounds and folder design make it a flexible option for casual riders who prioritize portability over rugged off-road performance.
Product number 2. Heavy-duty foldable electric bike for adults with 7-shock suspension. Furrider's GT600 targets riders who want rugged capability in a compact foldable frame, featuring a 740-watt nominal and 1200-watt peak motor, 500-plus pound payload, 16-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, and a 720-watt-hour battery. The bike supports up to 25 miles per hour with dual disc brakes, front suspension, and a retro design that appeals to riders seeking off-road versatility in a portable package. Performance and use cases emphasize versatility. Fat tires provide traction on dirt, sand, snow, and gravel, while the large payload capacity makes it suitable for bigger riders or cargo. The 720-watt-hour battery offers an impressive 35 miles of range per charge under mixed use, which supports longer commutes or weekend adventures. The 14-inch wheel size helps with compact storage, but the heavier build, 70-plus pounds, and high power can make maneuvering in tight city spaces more challenging. Maintenance considerations include keeping the fat tires inflated properly and checking suspension components after rough use. Overall, this model is best for riders who want a weekly mix of city commuting and light to moderate off-road exploration. Product number 3. Electric bike for adults. Generic's 750-watt class mountain-style e-bike combines a relatively powerful mid-range motor with a lightweight frame and 26-inch wheels. A notable feature is its foldability and 14-inch folding capacity, though the model lists a 750-watt wattage and 375-watt-hour removable battery. It carries UL 2849 certification and a 180-degree folding-friendly 14-inch frame, making it attractive for urban riders who want a capable bike for occasional trails and daily commutes. On performance, the 550-watt to 400-watt sustained motor with a 30-degree hill climb claim suggests strong initial torque,
while the 21-speed drivetrain provides ample gearing for mixed terrain. With a 38-mile PAS range and a throttle option, most riders can expect 20 to 25 miles in assisted modes, something to plan around for longer commutes. The 14-inch wheels, coupled with the 26-inch front-rear wheel setup, imply a compact, stable geometry, but can compromise smoothness on rough pavement. The bike is best suited for riders seeking a budget-friendly urban mountain hybrid with decent range, modular folding capability, and reliable stopping power from dual discs.
Product number 4. DYU electric bike for adults, teens. DYU's C3 emphasizes affordability and compact portability with a 350-watt motor, 36-volt 7.8 Ah battery, and folding 14-inch frame. It targets casual city riders seeking a lightweight, sub-$1,000 option with basic but reliable functionality, including 3 levels of pedal assist, dual disc brakes, and a user-friendly LCD display. In terms of ride experience, the 350-watt motor is sufficient for flat city streets and gentle grades, delivering up to 15.5 miles per hour in full electric mode and 25 miles in pedal assist per charge, which aligns with short commutes and leisure rides. The folding design, 51 by 21 by 8 inches once folded, and 47-pound weight make it highly portable for storage in apartments or buses. While the bike offers essential safety features like dual discs and headlights, it trades off higher top speed and range for cost efficiency. Maintenance is minimal, but check tire pressures and the folding hinges regularly to ensure longevity.
Product number 5. 5000W/4000W Peak electric bike for adults. Feng PQS positions this model as a high-performance budget option, featuring 2 high-power hub motors up to 5000W peak, a massive 1200 watt-hour battery, and full suspension for comfort on rough terrain. With a top speed of up to 50 to 60 miles per hour, depending on configuration, and claimed 100-mile range, the bike targets enthusiasts and those seeking serious power in a budget frame. It's a bold value proposition in the budget segment, giving a dual motor setup and full suspension chassis. Real-world performance, however, is subject to legal and safety considerations. The 100-mile range is highly dependent on riding mode, weight, terrain, and legal speed limitations. The 1200 watt-hour and 60V/52V nominal system enable extended adventures, but require careful thermal management and weight considerations. Full suspension and dual hydraulic brakes are compelling for comfort and control, yet the complexity of dual motors and high-power electronics can lead to higher maintenance, more frequent inspections, and potentially higher total cost of ownership. This model excels for riders who prioritize power and range and are willing to manage a more involved maintenance regime.